In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own book cover using Canva. Whether you are preparing a novel, a non-fiction guide, or a short story collection, a strong cover helps your book stand out and tells readers what to expect. We'll start with finding the right template. Then personalize it with text, fonts, colors, and graphics. And finally, export a high-quality file you can use right away. First, open Canva and search for book cover. This pulls up a gallery of pre-designed templates created for different genres and styles. Take a moment to browse. Look for layouts that naturally fit your story's tone, moody and minimal for thrillers. Bright and playful for children's books, elegant and clean for nonfiction. You can preview a few to see how flexible they feel before settling on one to customize. Choose a template that matches your genre or theme and is clearly customizable. You want enough room for a title, a subtitle if you have one, and your author name without crowding. Check that elements can be moved or swapped, so you can adapt the design to your unique concept. Now, customize the design. Start with the text. Replace the placeholder title, subtitle, and author name with your details. Aim for a clear hierarchy. The title should be the most prominent, the subtitle supportive, and your name readable but not competing. Keep spelling and capitalization consistent with your book style. Next, adjust fonts and colors to match the mood. Pick one primary font for the title and a complementary font for supporting text. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts to keep things cohesive. For colors, choose a palette that supports your theme and maintains strong contrast, so everything is legible at a glance. If your background is dark, use light text and vice versa. Head to the Elements tab to add icons, illustrations, or stock images that reinforce your concept. Place graphics thoughtfully so they guide the eye toward the title. Use alignment tools to keep everything neat, and consider subtle effects like transparency or shadows sparingly to add depth without clutter. If you have your own photos or artwork, upload them to make the cover truly personal. Use high-resolution images, drag them into the layout, and crop carefully so important details aren't lost near the edges. Make sure you have the rights to any image you use. Before you finish, review your design. Zoom out to see how it reads at smaller sizes, double-check spacing, and proofread all text. When you are happy, click Share. Then download and save your cover as a high-quality JPG, PNG, or PDF, depending on where you'll use it. Thanks for watching.